Hello students, this is question from J Advanced 2026. This question is from the chapter Chemical Kinetics. The question is for a first order reaction R giving P at a given temperature, K is the rate constant. For this reaction at given temperature, the concentration of R and P at time T are square bracket R square bracket P respectively. The correct graphical representation for this reaction is R. This is the multiple choice question. So more than one option is correct. For the first order reaction, you have to check whether the graphs are correct or not. So for the first order reaction, we have reactant is converting to product. We have minus dR by dt is equal to K times concentration of reactant. So concentration of reactant decreases with time. The concentration of reactant decreases exponentially, and the concentration of product increases expon this increase and becomes nearly constant. So first graph is concentration of product P versus T graph. So first graph is concentration of product versus, we have concentration of product on y-axis and T. So it is shown that this type of graph. So it is totally wrong. Concentration of product increases but not in this way. At some time it will not increase drastically. It increases monotonously in this way. Correct graph will be this one and not this. So option A is wrong. Next in option B we have dr by dt versus concentration of R graph. So second graph is dr by dt versus concentration of R. So this graph appears to be correct. If you look at this, then you can say the rate of reaction will increase as the concentration of R will increase. But dr by dt is, if you take the mod, then this graph is correct. But in actual, the correct relation is minus dr by dt is equal to K times concentration of R. And from this graph, what we are getting? We are getting dr by dt is proportional to R. So with time, the concentration of reactant will increase. So this graph is definitely wrong. This is the correct equation. For the reactant, its concentration will decrease with time. dr is negative. So this dr is negative. So the correct graph will be, we have dr by dt is equal to minus kr. So if we have to draw the correct graph, if we have dr by dt on the y-axis, then this value is always negative, and the concentration of R it increases. This will be the correct, not this. So option B is also wrong. If you take the mod, then this option will be correct. But if you consider the signs, this graph is definitely wrong. And in C option, we have concentration of, we have dp by dt with time. So third graph we have, in C graph we have dp by dt versus time. So concentration of product minus dr by dt is similar to dp by dt is equal to K times concentration of R. As the concentration of reactant is decreasing with time, this concentration decreases. This is concentration of R versus P graph. as the concentration of R decreases, the formation rate of formation of product will also decrease. So this graph is correct. dp by dt, this is constant. This is nothing but K times concentration of R. As the concentration of reactant is decreasing exponentially, the rate also decreases exponentially. The C graph is correct, and we have in the D graph K versus T, rate constant versus time. So as the temperature at a given temperature in the reaction, it is mentioned that at a given temperature this reaction is happening. So temperature is not changed. So the rate constant remains the same. Rate constant will not change as well. So D graph is also correct. It is a parallel graph. This line is parallel to this line. Value of constant is, rate constant is constant at given temperature. So definitely value of K is not changing. That means it is constant. So graph D is also correct. Graph C is correct. But graph A and B are not correct. For first option, the correct graph will in this way, and second option, the correct graph will be this one will be the correct graph. So answer for this question is C and D. C and D options are correct and A and B options are wrong. That's it. Thank you.